Hi boys and girls, today we are going to practice adding three numbers together. So we talked about this a little bit in class, or we will be talking about it in class. And so when we see three numbers like this, the first thing we do is we look for two numbers that would be easy to add together using some of our strategies. So in number 1, I can see that 4 and 6 are 10 friends. So circle them and then in the box write 10. Now we've taken two of those numbers and we just add the last number to it, which is 2. And 10 plus 2 is super easy. We know that answer is what? 12. Good. So I'm going to put 12 on the line. On number 2, two numbers that would be easy to add together are 2 and 3. Those are doubles plus 1. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So one more is what? 5. Good. Put 5 in the box. And then bring the next 5 to put it there. Now we have a very simple problem. 5 plus 5 is 10. Good. So looking at number 3, we're going to circle 1 and 9 because that's easy to add together. 1 and 9 make 10. Good. Then I bring the 6 down and I add 10 plus 6. And so what is 10 plus 6? 16. Excellent. Okay, look at number 4. Number 4 has 3 add-ins. It has 5, 5, and 7. So out of those 3, adding the two 5s together would make the most sense. Because 5 plus 5 is, it's 10. Good. And then I bring the 7 down because I didn't add that one yet. And then 10 plus 7 is 17. Very good. On number 5, we have 7, 5, and 4 as the 3 add-ins. So let's circle 7 and 5. So that's near doubles. It's doubles plus 2. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. Very good. Then I add 12 plus 4. If I count up 4 times, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. Good. Let's do the next one. 3, 8, and 5. It looks like 8 and 3 would be the easiest to add. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so this answer is 11. And then if I bring the 5 down, 11 plus 5, so just 10 plus 5 is 15, so one more is 16. Good. So I want you to push pause right here and solve 7, 8, 9, and 10 and see if you can have the same answers as me. Push play when you're finished, giving those 4 a try, and then check your answers with me. Okay, so these are your answers. This is 9 plus 2 equals 11. So if you have anything you need to fix on that one, go fix it and then go to the next one. So 7 and 7 is 14 plus 3, 15, 16, 17. Good. If you need to fix something on that problem, go ahead and fix it. And then 6 plus 7 is 13, plus 1 more is 14. Very good. Okay, and for the last one, we have 2 plus 9, so 9, 10, 11, plus 4, one more, let's see, 10 plus 4 is 14, so one more is 15. So if you have anything to correct it, and then turn it over onto the back. Okay, this might seem like a lot for rocket math, but it's not really, because this is just easy math. It's just plus ones. Even though one of the add-ins is bigger, these are just going to the next number. So I want you to start by doing the ones around the outside of the page and then do the ones on the inside. So it's all either 12 or 13 plus 1. So you just have to think what the next number is. So 14, 13, 14, 13, and just keep going. I want you to do all the way around and then try and do the numbers in the middle. Good job, boys and girls.